Hey, my name's Henny from Pink Elephant Media, and in this course, we are going to talk to you about email marketing. Now, if I told you for every £1 that you spend in marketing on your business, you would get a £35 to £38 return, you would be signing up. Well, email marketing, those are the exact figures. That can be higher than pay-per-click, SEO, affiliate marketing, any other marketing platform, and yet it is one of the most underutilized. We're going to talk you through what email platforms are best, how to scale your marketing list. That is absolutely key to having a thriving business. So we'll allow you to target the right person in the right way at the right time with your perfect audience sitting there ready and waiting to take that message. We're also going to talk to you about how to split tests, how you can use your email marketing list to actually learn about your client base. It is a really exciting course and we really hope you'll join us on the day. Look forward to seeing you there.